The 2027 Jeep Gladiator is arriving with something the midsize truck segment has never seen before, and it's the kind of upgrade that's going to make every rival feel immediately outdated. If you've been shopping midsize pickups and keep walking away frustrated because nothing on the market combines real off-road hardware, serious towing capacity, and a performance engine worth talking about, this truck is built exactly for you. Most buyers assume a midsize pickup simply can't deliver V8 power, but the 2027 Gladiator is coming with the kind of power no Tacoma, no Colorado, and no Ranger can come close to matching. Exterior updates. The Gladiator has carried one of the most recognizable silhouettes in the truck segment for years. That's not a small advantage, and Jeep clearly has no intention of giving it up. The 7-slot grille, the flat hood, the boxy proportions, and the open-air construction are all staying exactly where they are. There's something to be said for a truck that turns heads without trying too hard. Buyers who have driven a Gladiator know that feeling, and the 2027 model is going to sharpen it. The finishing work is getting a meaningful upgrade with revised lighting signatures, updated front and rear bumper treatments, and added exterior detailing that brings the truck's appearance in line with where the segment is heading. This is the kind of update that makes a well-established truck feel genuinely current. For buyers already loyal to the Gladiator, these changes are going to feel like a reward. For buyers still on the fence, a sharper, more polished exterior might be the final factor, but a refreshed look is only part of the story because what Jeep is putting under the hood is going to make everything else feel secondary. V8 is finally here. Here's a straightforward reality about the midsize truck segment. The Toyota Tacoma's most powerful engine is a turbocharged 4-cylinder. The Chevrolet Colorado goes no further than a 6. Neither of those options is going to satisfy buyers who have been looking for real high-displacement power in a truck this size. Think about what it actually feels like to merge onto a highway with a loaded trailer behind you, or to push through a steep, rutted trail section at low speed. In those moments, adequate power is not enough. You need a reserve of torque that answers immediately without hesitation. That's exactly the gap the 2027 Gladiator is now going to fill. The long-anticipated 392 cubic inch Hemi V8 is finally arriving, and it's bringing specifications that no rival in this class is going to match. This 6.4-liter V8 is going to produce 485 horsepower. Those are numbers that belong in a completely different conversation from what the midsize segment has been offering. For context, the Gladiator's current base engine, the 3.6-liter V6, produces 285 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. The V8 represents a massive step forward on both fronts. The 392 is going to be paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, with power distributed through the truck's proven 4x4 system. Competitors have been making gains in refinement and fuel efficiency, but on the powertrain sheet, nothing in this segment is going to have an answer for this. And that advantage becomes most obvious the moment the road disappears, which is exactly where the next chapter begins. World-class off-road performance. Off-road capability is the Gladiator's defining quality, and the 2027 model is going to carry that reputation further than any previous version. For buyers who need a truck that performs where the road ends, the hardware across this lineup is genuinely impressive. Starting from the base, every 2027 Gladiator is going to offer 4-wheel drive as standard equipment, along with solid ground clearance and a water-fording depth of 31.5 inches. That last number is one no rival in this segment is going to touch. Add the removable doors, the fold-down windshield, and the detachable roof panels, and the Gladiator offers an open-air off-road experience that's entirely exclusive to this truck. Most people buying a truck in this price range are going to face a trail, a flooded back road, or a sandy stretch at some point. When that moment comes, the difference between a truck that hesitates and one that simply handles it is not a small thing. That's where the Mojave and Rubicon trims push the Gladiator's capabilities considerably further. The Mojave is desert-tuned, built for high-speed off-road running, with Fox shock absorbers and front hydraulic jounce bumpers providing additional control when the terrain gets rough and unpredictable. The Rubicon is configured for technical terrain. It arrives with electronic front and rear locking differentials, a front sway bar disconnect, and a rock-track 4-wheel drive system with a low-range ratio of 4:1. Factory 33-inch all-terrain tires complete the setup. With the V8 now part of the equation, the Mojave X and Rubicon X configurations are going to occupy a completely different tier of trail performance. The combination of Jeep's off-road hardware legacy, trim-specific equipment, and V8 power is something no midsize rival is currently positioned to replicate. The off-road story is convincing on its own, but some buyers will need more than trail credentials to justify the purchase. The Gladiator has a very strong answer for them, too. Genuine utility. The Gladiator's styling and off-road reputation sometimes give buyers the impression that it's primarily an adventure vehicle. The numbers are going to correct that impression quickly. Anyone who has tried to haul a loaded camper or a full-size boat with a truck that's barely rated for the job knows what that experience looks like. Constant strain on the drivetrain, uncomfortable trailer sway at highway speeds, and a margin of safety that feels uncomfortably thin. That's a problem the 2027 Gladiator is built to eliminate. The maximum towing capacity is going to reach 7,700 pounds. Reaching that figure requires the 4.10 axle ratio, but even without it, every variant in the lineup is going to be capable of pulling at least 4,500 pounds. For comparison, the Toyota Tacoma maxes out at 6,500 pounds of towing, and the Ford Ranger reaches 7,500 pounds at its peak configuration. Maximum payload is going to top out at 1,725 pounds, a competitive figure for this class. The Rubicon trim is rated for 7,000 pounds of towing and 1,200 pounds of payload, still meaningful numbers for buyers who need both capability categories. The 5-foot 3-inch cargo bed provides solid practical loading space, and the strong mechanical foundation means this truck is going to carry and pull real loads without strain. A truck this capable on the outside deserves an interior that keeps up, and the 2027 Gladiator is going to deliver on that front as well. Modern and comfortable interior. The 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen is going to be standard equipment across the lineup, integrated into an upright, functional dashboard that's straightforward to navigate. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are going to be part of the standard package, with Bluetooth connectivity and wireless charging available in mid and upper trim levels. Spending a full day behind the wheel means the quality of your seat and the comfort of your surroundings matter more than most buyers initially expect. Front seats are going to be supportive and properly sized, with power adjustability and heating available from the Sport S trim upward. Second row legroom is going to exceed what most rivals in this class offer, which makes a real difference for buyers who regularly carry passengers on longer drives. Throughout the cabin, materials are going to balance durability with refinement, with harder surfaces in high-wear areas and more premium finishes where contact is most frequent. Higher trims expand that further with upgraded upholstery options, an Alpine audio system featuring a removable Bluetooth speaker, and additional convenience technology. Blind spot monitoring, rear parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, and automated emergency braking are all going to be available across the trim range as well. The interior raises the bar for what a mid-sized truck cabin can be, and the pricing is going to make this package even harder to walk away from. Release date and price. The 2027 Jeep Gladiator is going to arrive at dealerships later this year. Pricing is going to reflect only a minimal increase over the current generation, keeping entry-level sport models in the low to mid $40,000 range a modest step from the current starting point. Mid-level trims like the Willys and Texas Trail are going to land in the upper $40,000 range, while the Mojave and Rubicon variants are expected to sit in the mid $50,000 bracket. Top-spec Mojave X and Rubicon X configurations are going to push toward the low 60s, consistent with the current pricing structure. In a segment where rivals keep getting more expensive while capability gains remain modest, a truck that's adding a 470 horsepower V8, refined exterior styling, and a proven package of off-road and work credentials for a minimal price increase is going to represent real value. The 2027 Jeep Gladiator is going to arrive as a truck that covers every base without compromise. A freshened exterior that sharpens one of the most iconic looks in the segment, a Hemi V8 that rewrites the mid-size truck performance conversation, off-road credentials that no rival comes close to matching, a towing ceiling of 7,700 pounds that proves this is a serious workhorse, and a cabin that balances durability with genuine comfort. All of that is going to be available for a price increase that's barely worth mentioning. In a segment full of trucks that do some things well, the 2027 Gladiator is shaping up to be the one that does everything well. Now, if you wonder if there's a classmate that can match Gladiator's qualities, let's say that something big is coming from quite an unexpected direction. Make sure to check out our video about the 2027 Nissan Frontier, which you can see on the screen now. It's coming with major powertrains, which include both turbocharged and electrified options.